Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase social media presence with Hootsuite. Easy to increase your social media presence with Hootsuite, start by creating an account on Hootsuite's website. Select the appropriate plan that suits your needs. Once your account is set up, log in to the Hootsuite dashboard. Connect your social media profiles by clicking on My Profile and then Manage Social Networks. Choose the networks you want to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Authorize Hootsuite to access your social media accounts. After connecting your accounts, navigate to the Streams section. Here, you can create streams for each of your social networks. Add streams for monitoring mentions, keywords, or hashtags relevant to your brand. This will allow you to engage with your audience effectively. Next, go to the Publisher section to create and schedule your posts. Click on New Post to start crafting your content. Utilize Hootsuite's features to customize each post for different platforms. Incorporate images or videos to make your posts more engaging. Schedule your posts by selecting the date and time for them to go live. Use the auto-schedule feature to optimize posting times based on your audience's activity. Monitor engagement by checking the Analytics section regularly. Analyze metrics like impressions, clicks, and engagement rates. Use these insights to refine your content strategy. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Participate in relevant conversations to expand your reach. Consider integrating Hootsuite's content curation tools to share valuable industry content. Use the Hootsuite content curation feature to find and share high-quality articles. Adjust your strategy based on the performance data you gather over time. Stay consistent with your posting schedule to build a loyal audience. Finally, explore Hootsuite's training resources and tutorials to maximize your usage. Implementing these steps will significantly enhance your social media presence using Hootsuite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.